In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make transparent background in Photoshop. I'll walk you through the entire process. It's quite easy. Okay, so it's not really complicated, and I'm going to show you right now without wasting any second. I know your time is valuable. So what you're going to have to do is make sure you go to properties, and then here in properties we have canvas, and then here we have canvas, we have canvas, and then mode, and then fill. And here we can see white. Well, if you change from white to transparent, now you have a background, a transparent background, which is something I really wanted. And I was really interested, I was curious to learn how I can do this in Photoshop. So I learned that it's quite easy, but if this is not working, which I mean, you don't see this canvas here, I'll show you another method if you don't have this option. Now, another way I've discovered to remove the to make the background transparent, if when you add a text and then you just unhide this layer, click on this, now you'll get a transparent background, as you can see. Now, another way is to actually, when you create a new layer, so when you create a new layer, now here we get like a couple of options, but we have background, content, and we have a few options here, but what we are interested here is the transparent background. Now we click on that, we click create. Now we have a transparent background. As you can see, there's a new one here, and it works. And that's another way. Now, if you want to save this with a transparent background, what you're gonna have to do here is to go to File, Save as a Copy, and then here we have Photoshop, that's with a transparent background. This one, PNG, and then click on Save. That's basically what you have to do. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe. And if you have more questions about Photoshop, let me know in the comments section.